Hello guys, today we are going to harvest corn. This is the trailer, 10 tons Selmak, and I'm driving the Landini Power Far 110. As you can see, we are going 32 kilometers per hour because I'm late. Probably the combine is waiting for me, but the land is not far away, 1.5 kilometer. We are now turning left just to make sure there is no one behind us. Oh guys, now I'm seeing the combine. We are not far away. This is good. Thanks God guys, we are on time here. The combine has just started with harvesting corn, but probably he is angry and he is going a little bit too fast, huh? I'm getting closer to him. Here we are, completely on time. Okay, here is the corn guys. Here we had installed a drop-by-drop system. It was implanted for 3 months. We were using it about 3 months, and a week ago we just took it off. And now, I mean today I was just checking there is no more system in the field. As you can see, this was just so dry here, but the corn is good. We should have around 12 to 13 tons per hectare. Maybe we'll go up to 15 tons per hectare, but we will see. Now I will put the tractor here, so when he will go around, he can unload it on my tractor without even placing the combine. I think there is enough space. Here is the system drop by drop, but this is the damages part from the system. I'll put that in the trash. Hello guys again. I'm walking home because there is no one to bring my second tractor to the field, and probably will need it. Hello guys again. Here we are with the 6-ton trailer and Johndeere 5075. Again we are late. This is the second tractor. Now we are going through a different path. Now I'm on the main road heading to the marketplace. Such a beautiful sunshine. I'm driving around 30 kilometers per hour. Without any vibration, just smoothly driving. This tractor is limited to 40 kilometers per hour. Hello guys again, we unloaded the trailer. Now we are empty and heading back to the field. We are going around 37. As you can see, on this small tractor the tire went off, so we had a small problem with the trailer. Good evening guys, here we are, last but not the least tractor of the night. I got one more at the field. I will come back with my, maybe I will walking, maybe with my bike.